Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Vivo. You need to begin by opening Themes app and then clicking on Themes section at the top. You can click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, like blue, and then just select the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Now tap on download at the bottom, wait, and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access themes again, but this time click on Me at the bottom left corner. Now click on Local Themes, tap on one of your system ones. I will go back to this one and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!